Normally po, marami nagsasabi na they don't bother to give a survey. So, how can you prove yung accuracy ng survey ninyo to the public?
Magandang question po yan. So, yung accuracy ng survey, I think the science talks. Siya na magsasalita dito eh. Pero gusto ko lang ikwento yung na nagpunta po kami ng COMELEC, nagsalita po yung bagong presidente ng SWS. Yung pumalit po kay Professor Ahas. Forgot the name, sorry. Sinabi niya, bakit mo kami i-regulate? 14% lang ng mga Filipinos ang naniniwala sa survey. Sinabi niya po yun. May datos po ang SWS dito. Hindi naman po nagkakaroon ng bandwagon effect ang survey. May point siya doon. Kasi in terms of the bandwagon effect, kung number one, nakikita nila, number one noong 2022, si Raffy Tulfo, dapat ang number one po si Raffy Tulfo. So where's the bandwagon effect there? Kung sa survey po, number 9 noon, si Vice President Binay, dapat nanalo po si Vice President Binay. So there's no bandwagon effect. Now, bakit kami ni-regulate ng COMELEC? Gusto ko yun kasi bilang bagong company ko, we're 7 years in, it shows na, it gives us the same playing ground with the other firms like SWS Pulse Asia. It also shows that our methodology is at par with their methodology. Kasi kung registered kami, accepted ni COMELEC, ngayon po accepted ng European Society of Market Research Professionals kami. So it means accepted na din kami ng COMELEC. So it shows to the public na credible yung data. Pangalawa po, doon sa sinabi ni SWS, lumalayo ito sa tanong ko, sir, 14% lang ba talaga naniniwala sa survey? That's interesting din po. Kasi parang dinownplay naman masyado ng survey firm na yun, yung ginagawa namin. Pero kami po kasi sa survey, we just here to say, ito ang sentimiento ng tao at any given time. 67% ng Filipinos ang hindi sumasang-ayon sa pag-aresto kay Pangulong Duterte. Pinapakita na po namin yan. Kung maniwala po kayo dyan, now it's up to you to do due diligence. Totoo ba yan? Who's the people behind the survey? And that's the reason why we are very happy and we welcome COMELEC Resolution 11117. Kasi it provides another legitimacy layer sa amin po.
Salamat po.